Reporting live, we have the latest craze in Christian hip-hop right here.
Okay, what is this new Miles Minnick dance? I'm all sweaty just trying.
What you think? What you think? What you think was gonna happen? What you...
After studying this pristine dance from multiple different angles and checking out Miles's Instagram, I realized this is a dance from Fortnight. So we can all praise Jesus with some Fortnight.
What you think? What you...
So let's break this down. We got the rev bounce.
What you...
Cause it's like you're revving up. You're getting ready to start your car. It goes one hand up and then you're gonna pull this up with your knee. Like there's a string attached. So rev up, your knee's in the back and you're kind of like still facing forward. So you're like, and it's up on the up, if that makes sense, instead of going like down, down, it's like up, up. Like the emphasis is on the up. Like that. So yeah, it's like the floor is hot and you're like ding, ding. Instead of pausing on the down, do, do, you're coming like quick. And then you got to throw this. Boom. Rev up. We got the basic bounce.
6ix9ine riding on me. What you think?
So the rev up, your knee's in the back, right? Now in the basic, your knee is gonna come from the back to the front. Your opposite hand is gonna go up in the air and you're gonna travel the opposite way your hand is pointing. You can point, go like that, whatever your own style is. You're going to go back, back. Then we switch. So after you back, 2, then 3, 4. Back, 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3, 4. Again, we're gonna go point, opposite knee, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is, the basic. We got the wind up bounce. Okay, the wind up, we're gonna just go like that instead of pointing like that, okay? So it's, and then you can point. And you could go Miles does one hand. Oops. That's it. And that's all I got. Miles has got the advanced moves. He's got the whole headbang thing. So hit him up on his IG and ask him for that tutorial to drop.
And there you have it. It's the latest craze in Christian hip-hop.